YCharts is a cloud-based investment research platform designed to enable smarter investment decisions. We do that pretty simply by mixing together the industry's best data with intuitive tools that help in analytics, visualization, or efficiency gains, and we layer all of that with outstanding customer support.
YCharts covers more than 20,000 equities, 60,000 funds, and 15,000 indices. Our data is always current, and it's sourced from industry stalwarts such as Morningstar and S&P Global. On top of that data, we also have a lot of proprietary calculations, but we also have a database of 250,000 economic indicators that we've sourced ourselves independently from sources all over the world. It's all of that data that adds value, but the tools that we have that make that data accessible is what really allows our clients to leverage that data to make better investment decisions, really regardless of what their investment philosophy is.
At YCharts, we believe you should not need a PhD in algorithmic trading to make a smart investment decision. Our screener enables all of our users to narrow down a list of 20,000 investment opportunities using standard criteria such as EPS growth rates or dividend consistency, all the way to much more complex criteria such as Piotrowski F-scores or correlations that they find interesting. Fundamentally, our goal is to make easy quick and complex easy.
YCharts Excel add-in is a huge value add. It's really a powerful technology. Excel provides a canvas, and when coupled with YCharts data, it allows our users to power extremely complex proprietary models, create very visually stunning reports that they can share with their clients, or even house their entire investment research process within Excel. We also have an in-house Excel modeling team that can do this work to make the technology accessible to anybody regardless of their experience level within Excel.
Our goal is simple. It's to enable smarter investment decisions. If anybody wants to learn more, we'd encourage them to come to YCharts.com and sign up for a free trial of our software.